Welcome. Join me as we embark on a journey, not across continents but into the blue heart of our planet. The ocean, covering more than 2/3 of Earth, is the last great frontier, holding secrets hidden for millennia. Today we'll descend to the ocean floor, uncovering sights and mysteries that challenge our understanding of history and nature. Prepare to be astonished as we explore the strange and spectacular in the perpetual twilight of the deep. Take a deep breath. The descent begins. Our first stop is off Japan's coast, where the East China Sea meets the Pacific, near the mysterious Ryukyu Islands. This remote region is known for its rugged beauty and deep, ancient waters. In 1986, a local diver searching for hammerhead sharks stumbled upon something extraordinary, a massive stone structure, now called the Yonaguni Monument, arranged with uncanny precision beneath the waves. The main formation is a colossal rectangle, its sides sheer and corners sharp, resembling a sunken pyramid or even a forgotten temple, as if crafted by ancient hands and then swallowed by the sea. Is it a natural formation, sculpted by millennia of ocean currents? Or could it be evidence of a lost civilization, a city erased by time and tide? Geologists argue for natural erosion, pointing to the region's seismic activity and unique geology. But some researchers see deliberate design in the monument's symmetry and scale. Professor Masaki Kimura points to what he believes are carvings, stairways, and animal-like reliefs, features that suggest human craftsmanship and purpose, not just the random work of nature. If man-made, Yonaguni could be a 10,000-year-old city, predating known advanced societies by millennia, rewriting the story of human civilization in this part of the world. Diving here, you encounter terraces, right-angled corners, and formations named the Turtle and the Archway, each one fueling speculation and wonder about their origins. The monument's scale and atmosphere evoke awe and mystery, as if you're exploring the ruins of a forgotten world, hidden in the ocean's depths. The debate continues. Are these the results of geological time or the echoes of a forgotten people? Each new discovery only deepens the mystery. The site feels more like a ruin than a natural feature, its story softened by coral and algae that have claimed the stones, blurring the line between artifact and environment. Divers describe a sense of trespassing in a sacred ancient place, as if the monument itself is watching, holding secrets it's not ready to reveal. The silence is broken only by your own breathing, amplifying the monument's enigmatic presence and making every moment feel suspended in time. Looking up, the distant surface light reminds us of the world above and the mysteries below, where history and legend intertwine. The ocean guards Yonaguni's secret, whether geological marvel or lost chapter of humanity, keeping its answers just out of reach. For now, it remains suspended between fact and folklore, a riddle written in stone and water. Here, science and imagination collide, each offering their own explanations but neither able to claim the final word. As we leave, we carry not answers, but a deeper appreciation for the ocean's profound mysteries and the questions that still linger in the deep. The stones remain silent, their origins unresolved, inviting us to look closer and wonder. Yonaguni challenges us to question what we know about our past and to imagine what might still be hidden beneath the waves. The journey continues deeper into the unknown, where every dive is a step further into the ocean's silent history. Next, we cross to the Baltic Sea's cold depths. In 2011, the Ocean X team discovered a massive circular object on the seabed, dubbed the Baltic Sea Anomaly. Sonar revealed a nearly 200-foot-wide, perfectly round shape, with features resembling ramps and stairs. Theories exploded: natural rock, secret Nazi device, or even a crashed UFO. The team reported strange electrical interference above the anomaly, fueling speculation. Divers described the surface as granite-like, raised on a pillar, with a runway-like scar leading to it. Geologists analyzed samples, concluding it was basalt, likely a glacial deposit shaped by nature. Yet the discoverers remain unconvinced, pointing to smooth edges and soot-like material. The anomaly's true nature remains elusive, as further expeditions are costly and difficult. The Baltic Sea, rich in preserved wrecks, is no stranger to mystery, but this object stands apart. Is it a geological oddity or something more? The debate persists, with the anomaly a modern Rorschach test for our imagination. As we leave, the sonar image lingers, a reminder of how much remains unknown beneath familiar waters. The Baltic Sea anomaly is a mystery born of technology and curiosity. The deep keeps its secrets well. Our next marvel lies deep within Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, where the lush jungle conceals a secret world, Cenote Angelita. Here, beneath the surface, a surreal phenomenon awaits, a river that appears to flow within the water itself, defying what we expect from the natural world. At about 100 feet down, divers encounter a thick, swirling layer of hydrogen sulfide. This forms a distinct, misty river, complete with banks and the haunting silhouettes of submerged trees, as if a forest has been frozen in time beneath the waves. This halocline effect is the result of decomposing organic matter, which produces a dense, cloudy layer that settles below the saltwater. The chemistry here is as fascinating as the visuals. The result is an otherworldly landscape. Divers swim through crystal-clear water, then suddenly enter the cloud, where visibility drops to near zero and the world becomes dreamlike and disorienting. The submerged forest appears haunting, with branches poking through the mist like skeletal fingers, creating an eerie, almost supernatural scene. Below the hydrogen sulfide, the water is anoxic, a true dead zone where only specialized bacteria can survive, thriving in conditions that would be lethal to most life. From above, it looks like a living river winding through the cenote, but in reality, it's a chemical marvel sculpted by nature's invisible hand. Cenote Angelita offers a dive unlike any other, not for the abundance of marine life, but for the rare experience of descending into a liquid underworld, where the rules of reality seem to bend. The riverbed is layered with decomposing leaves, and when torchlight pierces the cloud, it creates an eerie, almost magical glow, illuminating the hidden world below. This phenomenon, while not unique to Angelita, is among the most visually stunning on Earth, drawing divers and scientists from around the globe. It's a powerful demonstration of how fresh and salt water can form stratified, unmixed layers, each supporting its own unique chemistry and life. The science is fascinating, but the experience is unforgettable, like returning from another dimension, forever changed by what you've seen. Emerging from the cloud, divers catch a final glimpse of the river continuing its silent journey below, a reminder of the mysteries that still lie hidden. It's a powerful symbol of the hidden wonders that exist just beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered by those willing to look deeper. The most incredible landscapes are often found in the world's secret pockets, far from the familiar and the expected. As we ascend, the image of the subterranean river lingers in our minds, a testament to nature's creativity and the endless surprises our planet holds. Sometimes, the strangest discoveries are living, breathing phenomena, reminders that the world is far more mysterious than we ever imagined. Now, we travel to Egypt's Nile Delta, where legend spoke of Thonis Heracleion, a city lost to the sea. For generations, its existence was shrouded in myth, whispered about in ancient texts and stories, but never seen by modern eyes. For centuries, it was thought to be myth, until its rediscovery in 2000 by Frank Gaudio's team. Their search was driven by curiosity and a belief that the past still lingered beneath the waves, waiting to be revealed. Beneath Abukir Bay, they found not just artifacts, but an entire city preserved under sand and mud. Streets, temples, and statues lay hidden, untouched for over 1,000 years, as if time itself had paused. Heracleion's demise came from earthquakes and subsidence, sinking it in the 8th century AD. The earth trembled and the city was swallowed by the sea, vanishing almost overnight from the world above. The sediment protected its remains, grand temples, colossal statues, and shipwrecks. These layers of sand and silt acted as a natural time capsule, preserving the city's wonders for future generations to discover. Over 700 anchors and 60 shipwrecks revealed its role as a major port. The sheer number of vessels and maritime relics spoke of bustling trade and constant movement, connecting Egypt to the wider Mediterranean world. Gold coins, jewelry, and ceremonial barges offered a glimpse into its vibrant life. These treasures hint at the wealth, rituals, and daily activities that once filled the city with energy and color. The Decree of Sais, a bilingual stele, confirmed the city's identity. This stone, inscribed in both Greek and Egyptian, bridged cultures and provided the final proof that this was indeed the legendary Heracleion. For divers, uncovering statues and hieroglyphs is like time travel, an encounter with a lost world. Each discovery brings them face to face with the people who once walked these streets, prayed in these temples, and sailed from this port. Each artifact adds to the portrait of this metropolis. Pottery, tools, and statues all tell stories of daily life, commerce, and belief, painting a vivid picture of a thriving city. The underwater work is painstaking, but the rewards are immense. Every brushstroke and careful lift brings new knowledge and sometimes breathtaking beauty to the surface. Mapping canals and temples, the team reconstructs the city's layout from the silent seabed. Piece by piece, they reveal how Heracleion was organized, how its people lived, and how the city functioned as a vital hub. Heracleon's discovery reshaped our understanding of ancient trade and geography. It showed how interconnected the ancient world truly was, and how much history still lies hidden beneath the sea. It was the customs hub for Greek ships entering Egypt, bridging myth and history. Merchants, sailors, and travelers from distant lands once mingled here, making Heracleion a crossroads of cultures. Watching these treasures surface reminds us of civilization's fragility and the ocean's power to preserve. The sea, which once claimed the city, has also kept its memory alive for us to rediscover. Heracleion stands as a monument to what can be lost and found beneath the waves. Its ruins are a silent testament to the passage of time and the enduring mysteries of the deep. The city's story is a testament to patience, curiosity, and the secrets the sea still holds. Each expedition uncovers new chapters, reminding us that history is never truly finished. The search for lost worlds continues, as the ocean guards its secrets, waiting for the next explorer to reveal them. Our final discovery shifts from ancient ruins to the space age. In 1969, Apollo 11's Saturn V rocket launched humanity to the moon, its first stage powered by 5 F-1 engines. After separation, these engines plunged into the Atlantic, lost for over 40 years. In 2012, Jeff Bezos funded an expedition to find them, scanning 1,400 square miles of seabed. Against the odds, the team located the twisted remains of the engines, 3 miles deep. Recovery was a feat. ROVs worked in darkness and crushing pressure to bring up the corroded parts. 2 engines were raised, battered but identifiable as Apollo 11's. The mission was about preservation, not profit, restoring history for public inspiration. Serial numbers, obscured by corrosion, were painstakingly revealed. These engines, once symbols of power, now rest in museums as relics of human ambition. They connect oceanic depths with the exploration of space. Forged for a 165-second burn, they spent 43 years in darkness before returning to light. Their story bridges inner and outer space, showing exploration knows no bounds. The ocean floor holds not just ancient secrets, but the legacy of our reach for the stars. Our journey into the deep ends here. For now, we've witnessed silent cities, spectral rivers, and relics of both ancient and modern ambition. The ocean floor is a museum of wonders and unanswered questions. Thank you for joining this descent into the mysterious. The world beneath the waves reminds us how much remains to be discovered. Never stop questioning, never stop exploring. Stay curious.